What up, y'all? It's your girl Taliah Jenee, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. So today we are making red beans and rice, and when I say it was so good, I nailed it, y'all. It was so good. But anyway, if you want to see how I made my red beans and rice, continue watching.
We keep on telling lies. That is how we stay alive. So you know that I don't mind about what is wrong and what is right. We keep moving in different rhythms. Still I know what you feel. We keep moving in different rhythms. Two different minds telling lies. That's how we stay alive. At least we try to survive. We're not the ones who hide. Two different minds. Two different minds. We're not the ones who hide. Two different minds.
You know just what to say to make it all okay. 'Cause I am too blind to see when you're in front of me. We keep moving in different rhythms. Two different minds telling lies. That's how we stay alive. At least we try to survive. We're not the ones who hide. Two different minds. Two different minds.
We're not the ones who hide. Two different minds telling lies. That's how we stay alive. At least we try to survive. We're not the ones who hide.
Two different minds.
We're not the ones who hide.
Two different minds telling lies.
That's how we stay alive.
That's how we stay alive.
Where have you been? It's like I waited all my life. So happy that I found you. I'm paper thin. I haven't always been this shy, but haven't felt this in a while now. So sad when we are apart. If you leave, you break my heart. I need you to need me too. Stay with me when it's getting dark. Hold me tight, close in your arms. I want you to want me too. Why is it so hard to just be honest?
The reason why you did not see salt with the seasonings is because I did not add salt to my red beans because the turkey necks are already salty.
Maybe you want it too, so I just need to tell you. I just need to tell you. See the sun in the shadow of my life.
As you can see off to the side, I have my andouille sausage. I cooked that in the pot in the beginning, and then once it was done cooking, I just set it off to the side. It's your preference. I do prefer to cook mine first and then add it back in later. But like I said, it's your preference. So here I'm adding some minced garlic, and we like a lot of garlic, so that's why I did like 5 tablespoons. But I have my turkey necks, my chicken broth, all my seasonings, and my garlic, and I'm going to cook that for about an hour and a half.
Why is it so hard to speak the truth? Why is it so hard to just be honest when I want this? Maybe you want it too, so I just need to tell you. I just need to tell you. Why is it so hard to be? Why is it so hard to be honest? To be honest. Why is it so hard to be? Why is it so hard to be honest? To be honest. Why is it so hard to just be honest? Why is it so hard to speak the truth? Why is it so hard to just be honest when I want this? Maybe you want it too, so I just need to tell you. I just need to tell you. Would you stay?
Once I removed the meat from the turkey necks, I added the meat to the pot. I added my andouille sausage to the pot, and I also added my red beans to the pot. And we prefer our beans just a little bit thicker, so I added some flour and water mixture and then let it cook down for about an hour, and then your red beans will be complete.
Throw your stuff away before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find. I'm standing right here. I know that I told you